What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Anime. Today we're at part 4 of the Armory Toys. Today we're not alone. My friend is here. My phone is almost dying, so we had to make this on time. But guess what, guys? Smash that like button because you know why? We're doing a short video. Yes, sir! You scared me. Hold on, you scared me. 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 Ah, you scared me. 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 Ah! Hey, God, give me up. Give me up. Give me up. God, give me up. Give me up. Give me up. Okay, show. Vincent, give me up. Give me up. Give me up. Okay, show. Ow! What was that? What was that? So we have a new friend coming right now. Say hello. So three of us are the mystery guys. So we're the mystery. We're the mystery of together. We are mystery of the tank and the. So we're gonna take the car. Every day we're gonna take the car. Exactly, you two. Is it right, you two? Okay. So yesterday I meet Dario. I meet Dario.
Wait, what's your channel name again?
And Jimenez. You guys recognize that? Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see that one. Hit that bell because I want to show you guys. Is wait, huh?
What's your YouTuber name again?
And Jimenez. That's the title. It's
No, your YouTuber name.
oh, you mean the title?
Yeah, the channel is the Anthony Jimenez too.
What?
And Jimenez.
His name is just Anthony Jimenez
Yeah.
on YouTube too.
And guys, what guys? Now, oh. So we're gonna try to find a tank. Now the last time I was right here, Dario was right there, and then I crashed him. I'm crashing by mistake. The last time I was right here, guess what? I fell. So we're gonna go So I'm gonna go the helicopter this time, and then
It's better to do the helicopter and then the tank.
yeah.
In the helicopter you can just fly in and you can crush and you can just slice everyone.
Yeah, exactly. Make sure there's a. Hey guys, make sure be careful because there's a creepy guy right next to us. Because make sure there's like who was talking to us. I don't know. Is it me or is it him or him as well? I don't know. We have to find out. Smash the like button, guys. So like I said, we're gonna go to the copter first.
Quick, go!
Ah, together, let's go. Let's go. Haha, here it goes. In 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's get out of here. Oh, we have to hurry because it's 15%. We have to get out of here. Get out of here. Oh no. Can we repeat this in 30 seconds like the last time? Can we beat this? Alright. It's war time! Ah! Ready? 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Here goes. Ah!
I'm shooting with machine gun.
Boom! There you go. My son. There you go. My son. My helicopter son. And they're coming.
This is my little friend.
The helicopter. Ah, my God! Here we go. Whoa! Can we beat this like maybe probably like?
Can I try piloting this? I'm really good at doing flying games. Trust me. I can get into the hole, the tank while I'm still flying.
Can you do the rocket launcher? Can you do that? No. Just try to use the rocket launcher. Rocket launcher's right there. Dude, actually, no way. Shoot that harder. Harder. Okay. I'll get you the tank. Now it's your turn to go to the tank. So I'm gonna take you there.
I'll go. So like seriously, I can get into the cabinet where the tank is. I'm really skilled at flying. Like really, I play a lot of flying games.
Okay, so here it goes. We're gonna land. Geronimo! Get out the car! Get out the car. Oh, I'm gonna take it there first. Hold on, let me take it there. Vincent. let's get out here. The song is still on because I don't know why the song is still on. But Nate, whoa! This is Nightmare. Is he down there? Check him.
Yeah, he's right there.
Yeah, he's not even talking to us about the game. Alright, so 2 of us are not.
It kind of makes sense because we're both in our own little.
Yeah, exactly. So it's not the 3 of us because I think one our friend is like maybe he's missing, probably, right? He's missing, so I don't know he's missing, but okay, I'm gonna take you somewhere before you can start shooting the tank. I'll tell you when. And now, go, shoot the tank, shoot.
Look at this.
Dude, that is awesome! Oh, yay!
You can boat the cars. Boat the cars.
Hurry up! Oh, hurry, go! We don't have time, Vincent. We don't have time. We don't have.
We just shot him. I just shot him.
The time has come. We have to beat this. Come on. We have to go. All right, guys, we need to get out of here.
Go, Johnny, go.
Find a hiding spot. Find a hiding spot
Go.
before we end this video because we look.
Go, Johnny, go.
Vincent! Oh God!
Whoa!
Vincent, we need to
Turn
hide.
it over.
Oh! Delete. Okay, so what the heck? Oh my God! A mystery guy who's calling us. Oh no! Don't tell me is that creep guy who is calling us?
There.
Is that the creep guy who was calling us?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
You can hear
Oh my
us?
gosh! Our last time, like our
I'll run this guy over.
like a person,
Whoa!
Whoa! Get out of here! Get out!
I need to find a
Vincent.
Oh.
Whoa! What's happened?
Okay.
Get out here!
Okay, let's go.
Get out here now! Vincent, get out here now!
I'm trying. These guys are.
Will you stop, Vincent? That's kind of weird.
These guys are.
No! That's not the right. Get out of here, Vincent, now before it dies. No, Vincent, no!
Don't worry, I got this.
Come on, Vincent, we don't have time.
I'm almost there.
Come on, Vincent.
Wait, see where I'm going. Here we go.
Don't go up. That's worse.
Why? Is the guy there?
No, you can't go up there. It's too far. It won't fit.
Then where should I go up to?
I don't know. We need to end this because we don't have time.
Okay, let's just end it.
All right, here.
One more good blast.
Yes. Boom. All right, boom.
Right, it's almost dead. Boom.
Boom.
And one more shot.
Boom. All right, guys. Smash that like button, guys. Hit the notification because we're getting out here. First, we need. Oh no. Oh my. Oh no. Somebody's talking to us. Don't cost us, please. Don't cost us, please. Oh, who's touching me? Were you touching me?
No, Anthony M is touching you.
Oh no, he's touching. You cost me the game. No. Okay, that feels ticklish. You know that? That feels ticklish. Ah! Don't smack my face.
When you stop that thing, there's all my buckles.
Ah!
So once again,
I'm gonna rub a hat.
please hit the like,
Hey!
button
Oh!
and subscribe, and we'll see you again for more great YouTube
Vincent,
videos.
just help me, please.
I'm going to drain your